let's jump into a super useful pro tip for Zoho projects. You know that feeling just drowning in a huge list of tasks and issues? It's tough. So, to find what you need, you're probably clicking over to the main filter panel. And yeah, that old way, it's just a bunch of clicks that completely breaks your focus. But what if you could do it in just one click right where you're at? Meet column level filtering. It lets you apply filters right from the column header, instantly. The new way is so much simpler. Seriously, just right-click a column header and you're done. So what's the big deal? Well, this simple trick completely streamlines your entire workflow. You get way faster results without switching views. You can just focus on what matters. Okay, let's take a real-world example. Say you need to find all critical issues immediately. Instead of that whole multi-step process, you just right-click the status column. Done instantly. And get this works across all modules. Yep, even the custom ones you've built. So, the main takeaway is simple. Stop navigating away from your work and start filtering directly. Seriously, go give this a try on your own projects and see how much faster it is. This is just one small tweak. It really makes you think, what other easy wins are hiding in your workflow?